let's do a garden tour.
My peppers. This one's a jalapeno. These two are serranos. This one's a guajillo, which that one's the one pepper that's doing the best. These two are the purple bell peppers, and then that's a whole row of jalapenos back there. I have so many jalapenos because, I want to pickle them and everything. My basil is flowering already, so I'm just going to chop it probably right here when I make dinner this week so it can keep bushing out and growing. My peppers are putting out flowers already. That's going to be a little jalapeno. And my Chinese 5 are putting out little blossoms. So I'm like chanting for these. My black-eyed Susans were kind of like falling over in the wind, so I turned the pot around so I can rest them against the wall. We have one coming. I'm so excited for this to fully bloom. This has been taking forever to open. My violas are so droopy. I don't know. This bush is like unmanageable. Maybe my dahlias will have a better chance at getting some sun now that I put the black-eyed Susans against the wall. I don't see any buds on my cosmos yet, but I'm excited for these. My zinnias, some more are starting to open. I think it's always fun to see what color they're going to be. My zucchini, I'm actually getting little zucchinis already, if you can see right there. The flowers will probably open in the next few days. And then you know what's funny? Tell me this doesn't look like a pepper seedling. And this one. Anyways, my cucumber, they're probably going to start putting out little tendrils soon.